Subject, but y'all, we are living in a world that's really, the world is good, but the things in the world are bad. So don't focus on the things that you see. Just try to make the best out of what you have and what you can make better for yourself. We are no longer slaves to sin, meaning that no matter what they put out here in the world for us to do, partake in, does not mean you have to be a part of it. Try your hardest to take some type of control over the things of the enemy that's out here to kill, steal, and destroy us. So with that, you have to have your faith has to be very strong, and you have to start believing in yourself to kill and knock those things off, okay? So our prayer life is very important. Staying connected to the right people are very important. And just keeping your focus on Him is very important. And to always tell yourself, yes, I can do it. I can achieve it. I can get through it. You just got to stay in that place. And for that, guys, we're going to take a sip. Hope you had your coffee, your tea, your orange juice, your milk, your smoothie, water, or whatever it is that you drink in the morning, and OJ. Always remember too, guys, it starts with self-care and self-love. So love yourself so that you can love others. But you gotta start loving yourself so you won't become that mess that they want you to be. Love yourself. And for that is the end of tea time. So guys, I hope you all enjoy, and I hope you all will come back for another tea time. I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, I stopped at Walmart early, which is a good thing because ain't hardly nobody in here. I'm looking for some vegan sausages. I think we had vegan sausage maybe a month and a half ago. So I'm looking for that. And I got my my butter. And I'm gonna try these. These are plantains. I'm gonna try those and get these vegan sausages. And then we're gonna go home because y'all, it's cold outside today. It's like freezing cold, and it was snowing. This weather. But yeah, let's shop for what we're looking for. Let's find these sausages. Morning Star is not considered vegan though. Let's see. Incognito. Okay, here they go right here. Here they go here. These are the ones right here for $4.42. I'm trying to think. You only get 6 patties, so I'm trying to see if do I want to get anything else. Should I get 2 or should I get 1? I don't know, y'all. I think I think 1 will do. So we'll see later what I get. But this is it for now. I'm going with these guys. You get 12, and they are veggie original sausage patties. So I'm gonna try that. I'd rather do 12 for $3.62. mean? Is it really? But anyway, I had to come home, get me some tea because it's cold. And I don't like cold. There's some clothes in the dryer. I had to put those clothes to wash early this morning. I left. So, yeah. Oh, let me show y'all what's I bag. So I ended up getting the Morning Star. Y'all, these wasn't no $3 no change. How she rushed to said, where's that shit at? I spent $19. I was not planning. They were $6.48. I'm thinking, what? So this one they got the 70 calories, 81% less fat, not of protein and power ups. So long as they're made out of plants, I'm all for it. I got these. I also picked up these again, these buffalo wings. We've enjoyed these. I got these. I picked up the Earth Balance butter because it's only 48 there. Anyway, else it's more expensive. And I went on and got the plantains or whatever. I got those. And I also picked up these hyper tough removable adhesive hooks. I'm gonna put free on the side to hang up our aprons so I can use them more. You know, I got that. That's all I got, y'all, from Walmart. And oh, these bottles of wine here. Just answer the question for me, please. I'm just saying. I went to the store where I bought the wine from, right? Because I bought 3 initially. And I'm looking at my marker like, and I had kept the receipt because I'm thinking, probably gonna take them back because I really don't drink a whole lot of wine like that. And I don't, we have company, but not like a whole lot where all the wines get drunk out like that. And it's good to save sometimes. But anyway, try to take them back. They give me a big old story talking about they return wine. I'm thinking like, I have a receipt. And nothing on this receipt says that you can't do that. So I was really disappointed about that. I did contact corporate and let them know that it's a clean policy they have. They're not open. They have not tampered with it. And I did keep one. So I don't understand what's the problem. So yeah, I can show you the bar chart. And I was taking my oils here, turn them upside down so I can get rid of these bottles. I probably will donate these bottles because of glass. And I will, once they're in, I'm gonna put them in my diffuser and get a little concoction for the room. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep them and put them underneath the sink. What's sangria and the other one is sweet red. But I thought that was very, very strange to me because I've never heard of nothing like that, especially when you have your actual receipt. That should never be a problem. But that's all I'm doing right now. I was going to show you a few things. Like this is a real life day, y'all. Real life channel. And even when there's not a lot going on, I'm just going to still bring you guys along for my day. So, did I show y'all this yesterday? I like how that turned out. Do y'all understand when I say, like, I like bigger pieces? Let me know if you guys are like that. I just like bigger pieces that don't do too much, but make a statement when you come into the room. I think, me personally, I feel like when you have a whole lot, that's when your mind starts racing. You're like, oh my God, I gotta clean this, I gotta move this, I gotta do this. So that is what I did. I just did like a clean sweep of a lot of things that I was not using. Looking at them, like if you don't touch it or look at it, it gotta go. That's just my opinion. Y'all let me know in the comments. Are you guys the same? So that's what I did. And then, oh, here's the bar cart. I did lessen the stuff. You know, I did. Oh, the whiskey that my mom gave me, guys, I poured that out. I did. But we have wine here. I kept our wedding glasses here. So I still have my dandelion wine. I don't know what this is, something he bought before. And then we have a bottle of that other wine here, this one. And then I have the 2 absolutes that my mom gave me. And then I spray painted this, you guys see, this here, and it has, that's ice bucket, but I spray painted that hair spray that I got from Crazy Bins. And I just kept these and minimized the other silver ones. So yeah, guys, that's all that's going on right now. And then I do have a little project for myself. So these here, I think I told y'all before I was going to spray paint those handles one day. So I'm going to end up doing it today. And this is the rest of the spray that I have. So yeah, I'll do that. And I'll probably bring you guys along to see me do that, I guess. So until then, hold the line, please, guys. Almost forgot. I just want to show y'all update in here besides this stuff here. But I did move some things from over on the counter to give it more space. So there's some here, space here. If I ever decide to put this under the sink, that'll be space here. And then what I did was I put my bullet here and this kettle here. Y'all, I don't know how long it's gonna take for us to find that, but it's like I'm tired of searching. Like, I don't know. So maybe I'll just either get rid of it, sell it, or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But I'm tired of keep on looking for one. But I just wanted to show you guys the updates in the kitchen. All right.